on a Chiang Mai Sunday night market walking tour. This is one of the biggest and most authentic night markets in Thailand. If you are planning a trip to Chiang Mai, you absolutely need to make sure you're here on a Sunday, because this market is unlike anything else in the city. It stretches for what feels like kilometres, packed with handcrafted Thai goods, local artisans making products right in front of you, and authentic street food you won't find in the usual tourist stalls. This isn't your typical row of mass-produced souvenirs. This is where you meet the makers, discover real craftsmanship, and experience the heart of Chiang Mai's creative culture. So join us as we wander through the colours, sounds and flavours of the Chiang Mai Sunday walking street market and find out, can veterinarians really handle everything, or are there a few surprises here that even we might be a little squeamish about? Let's dive in.
I don't think I've seen a market with such a variety of high quality stuff and unique things. It's quite amazing. So much amazing stuff here. And they had about 7 different varieties of just fresh juices, no sugar, just squeezed. And Penang and even in Langkawi, we'd go to these big night markets and you'd walk along a bit, but pretty much every 100 metres would be the same variety of food. Whereas this here, we're just walking and everything's just so different. It's just such a variety, it's amazing.
And we could not walk past these freshly baked custard tarts. Started in Adelaide.
Then we went to Penang, Georgetown.
Yep.
They were slightly different in Georgetown.
Yep. And now here in Chiang Mai, custard tarts. Just love them. Check out the Adelaide videos and the Penang walking tour.
Is it better than the ones in Penang?
They're better than the ones in Penang.
And getting quite close to the ones in the central Adelaide markets.
They just need a little cinnamon on top, maybe, to match.
These are pretty good.
Okay, watch out, Portugal.
You tell me what you think.
Look out, Portugal. Here comes Chiang Mai. They are really, really good.
The ones in the Adelaide Central markets are probably slightly more crunchy.
As you can tell, we love Portuguese or any other custard tarts, and we love a good street market with authentic local food. And the Sunday night market was our favourite in Chiang Mai. A huge range of delicious food cooked right in front of you, including fresh and healthy options that we have not seen in any other markets or walking streets. Yeah, Graham. So I think the Westerners to foreigners rule does not apply at the Sunday Chiang Mai market, but the little chairs rule does apply. Our go-to rules for choosing the best restaurants to eat out in Southeast Asia are, number 1, there should be many more locals eating at the restaurant than Westerners. It tells you that the food is good and the high turnover means everything is fresh. And number 2 rule, the smaller the chair, the more delicious and flavoursome the food. Wow, that looks so good.
Your eyes?
Yeah, just a small.
Small?
Yep, smells so good.
Small? freshly cooked mushrooms.
I think that's a sesame oil or something.
And it's like seaweed.
King oyster mushrooms are sizzled over a hibachi grill. Their thick white stems then soak up the umami-rich sauces of soy and sesame and topped with crunchy seaweed. Ten satay sticks for $4, 100 baht.
What is the middle called? Silver mixing.
How long? How long to
1 month.
1 month work?
On the boat, 1 month and a half. On the boat.
Just even all the clothes, a lot of it's just unique, just one-offs.
After all that amazing food, it is time for a relaxing Thai foot massage. It's so quiet here. Everyone's relaxing.
It's crazy. There's just hundreds of people here having a massage. We thought we'd come to the end of this one and then go back because we don't want to get lost. We're at least 2 streets back that way and then walking back home. And here we are here. The market goes all the way down there, as far as I can see down there, and as far as I can see down here. This is the most important market.
Wow. So I just wanted it on record. What were you saying about we think we're getting to the end of it now?
Wow.
What percentage do you think we've actually covered?
Probably been warm for an hour.
30%?
The market just keeps going in every direction.
If you have enjoyed this walking tour exploring the best market in Chiang Mai, please do like and subscribe. We promise not to feed you beetles.
Would you like some cockroaches?
Oh, all I can think of is tapeworm. Yes, vets do have overactive imaginations, but would you try these? Let us know in the comments.